Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. In this video we're talking about my 10k challenge portfolio and just a general update. I think it's down like 40%, but I'm going to go through it, talk about some other stocks that you should consider buying. They'll do well in the long term. So they're down from their 52-week high, so we're just going to go through that. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also, feel free to like this video to move us out to large runs so more can learn about investing in finance. My 10k challenge portfolio, it's not looking too good for me. I'm currently down a big 35.32% total, and on the day I'm down nearly 5%. So my value is currently $801.42. So I'm down nearly $500. So it's not looking too good, but I'm not too worried. So we're just gonna wait a few months for this to go back up. I'm not giving up on this challenge. Sometimes the best thing you do is to do nothing and just wait it out. So the reason I'm averaging down is because I don't have any spare cash right now, so I'm just going to hold. June, that these are going to go up to their 52-week highs and make some new highs. So it's just my opinion. So now I'm going to talk about some stock picks you should consider buying. So the first stock is BNGO, ticker symbol BNGO. So I currently hold 23.84 shares and average price of $10.40. Currently down 30%. So anything below $8 is a steal for this one. It is basically a double up from this price and the highs. So for this you can average down, you split money into four separate days and 4 strike prices. The next stock is called NEO, ticker symbol NIO. I'm currently down nearly 40%, an average price of $56.79. So not looking too, that is pretty bad. So I'm just gonna wait it out. So for this one, so you can see they have a high of $67. So now we're a great time. It is basically a double up. So we bust one tomorrow, whatever price you see, because this is a long-term hold, and we're gonna buy how much you can afford. We're not gonna average down on this one. Basically, nothing of this company has changed. So the next stock on the list is called Rocket Companies, ticker symbol RKT. So I talked about this yesterday. This is because they reached a high. So their high today was $27. So that is really good. So they have a low today of $22.81. So that would have been a good opportunity for you. They can go to $27 and they can go even higher. Look at their 52-week high. The next stock on the list is called TSLA. We all heard about this one. So ticker symbol TSLA. So it's currently down 1.2% on a day. So now would be a good chance to load up on the stock. So anything between 600 to 670 is a good price. We know the high of $900. If that is not bugging to you, I don't know what is. They went as low as $596 today. So tons of people were shorting the stock, but they shorted the stock when this was $60 a share, and where did it go? It went straight up. So don't pay attention to what people are saying with the stock. So what are some large institutions doing with the stock? So we see we have 2 institutions today. They loaded up. We have Bull Per Pound, Investor Class in the ETF, and we have this ETF, ACVF. So we see this ETF has done really well in 1 month. It's only up 2%, but remember this was a market correction, and the fact that they're not down is really good. The last stock on the list is another energy player, so it's called ENPH Energy. I've talked about this many times. It's currently down nearly 7%, so big drop. What are we going to do for this one? So we're going to average down on this one. So split money into 4s, 4 strike prices, and on 4 separate days. They have high of 229, and they currently had the win as low as 140. So that right there shows you that it's nearly a double up from that price. So according to some analysts, they have an average price of $223.18. That's really good. That's a nearly 60% upside. They have a low of 167 and a high of 266. That is really good. In the video, that was my whole talk on my 10k portfolio challenge. Just an update and some stocks you should consider buying. These stocks I do think will do well in the long term. And yeah, feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also feel free to like this video so move us out to large runs so more can learn about investing in finance. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. See you guys next one.